So today I've got Blue Pepsi. Today I'm going to be chugging a 1.25 litre Blue Pepsi. It's a new flavour that they've come out with. Apparently it's lemon flavour or something. 1.25 litres. See how we go. See how it tastes. Damn. Alright.
Damn, smells like lemonade. Or blue Powerade.
Alright, let's see. Oh, it's like half of it. It's nice. It's definitely a different flavor. I don't know, it tastes a bit chemically though. Like it tastes like toilet cleaner or something. It's weird. Don't know if I like it. I think I prefer normal Pepsi. Why does it taste like toilet cleaner? That's bizarre. Now that I've made the association with toilet cleaner, I can't not think about that while I drink this. Yeah. Nearly there. Yeah, definitely wouldn't get that again. Hold on. It literally just reminds me of toilet cleaner. That's what this flavor tastes like to me. Not that I've ever tried toilet cleaner, but just the smell of it, that's what the smell reminds, like this, the taste of this. Yeah, damn. That aftertaste is terrible. It's left the worst aftertaste in my mouth. Oh, I do not feel well after that. My mouth feels really dry now. I can't believe how bad that is. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Appreciate you watching. If you have any video suggestions, let me know in the comments. Peace out, guys.